Yan.
Hi, September 15, cameraman Roxy and Zach, testing for Minority Report effects.
Hindi na, no? Okay.
Record ka niya, nagbisaya ka.
I'm sorry.
Serius. Mana kuan boss, mana nag transfer asay butang ang uban.
Basta mo eh. Hindi mo nag-ima ron.